Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, July 8th. Look at the window traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So look, we know the market's been going up on incredibly light volume, incredibly poor structure. We have trend days up the last 3 days. We have price spikes, price probes. Price keeps going higher, okay? Not healthy. All being done by retail traders, algorithmic trading, hedge funds, no real long-term money but putting this up. However, it is still going up. And as day traders, that's all we have to know. We're not swing traders. If you're a swing trader, even that, you want to take a short against the all-time high and risk $3 to try to get 15 and take back the last 3 days or so. Nothing's even telling you to do that just yet. So for everybody who continues to think this market can't go higher, wait till it comes into balance. Right? The NQ's up on all 3 time frames. ES is up on the monthly, daily. The weekly's balanced, but it was an outside week up. And if we take out Friday's high, we'll be up. So, again, the market will care when it wants to care. People have got to get that through their head. It does not care about wars, inflation, rate cuts, nothing. Okay, if it did, we wouldn't be up here because they told you prior to the year we'd have 4 to 6 rate cuts. We're lucky to have 1, and we're at all-time highs. Please get that into your head. As far as today goes, right now, look where we've traded. Most of the overnight in the upper distribution. Okay, we're 15 wide inside of it. We're trading now above the base of the latest price probe. NQ also in the upper distribution. We have wide overnight POCs, 15 for ES, and 16 for NQ. Righty, still balanced. Righty has trouble getting out of its own way. Righty is still balanced. Righty never filled their gap from Friday when they opened lower, but it's still balanced. So right now they're trading towards Friday's high. So we'll see if they do attempt to do that. As far as the game plan, again, this is pretty standard procedure. It's early yet, so a lot can change. But if your overnight high is anywhere around here or the all-time high, that's a good risk-reward short out above it. Okay, now remember, it would be being done with overlapping higher or higher value. But it's not a bad risk-reward because they do front-run them a lot. If we do get it and comes back down, well, the long against the overnight low would be good, even if they fill the single prints, to see if we get rejected out of the lower distribution. Okay, NQ, basically the same thing. There's nothing out really today. It's a quiet day. So, again, I'm not expecting a lot of volume or anything. The week does heat up. You have Powell testifying twice this week. And then you have CPI and PPI out later this week. So, we'll see what happens with all that nonsense. Again, does that mean anything to me? It doesn't. Because like I said, no matter what knee-jerk reaction you get, after that, the market does what it wants to do. It's not based on those news headlines or news feeds. Please remember that. And then quickly, on the chart. And that's what we talk about in this trading room all day. Breaking down what the market's doing, not what the Fed's doing, not what CPI is doing. Very important to remember those things. So we had an outside week up in ES, not SPY. SPY is still one time framing up 5 weeks. ES, though, did take out the previous week's low. So it's an outside week up, so it's a 3-week balance. However, if they take out Friday's high, I will call them up right away. The daily is up, right? We broke out of this large balance, and we're one time framing up 3 days. Good luck trading today. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.